Hello, I'm Dr. Roderick Ryant. My specialty is family medicine. I work at WellStar East Paulding Primary Care. Family medicine is exactly as it's described. It's actually based on working with the entire family. So that includes obviously the children, the mother, the father, grandparents, the whole family unit. And hopefully by understanding how each of those particular individuals interact, you can kind of get a better understanding on how to direct care. There's many professions that we all could choose to do, but the profession I chose to do for myself is very gratifying because there's not a day that goes by that you haven't served or haven't feel like you've helped an individual in some way or somehow. My time is really focused on the family outside of my practice and their activities, whether it be sports or extracurricular things that they're involved in to be a part of their lives. As a physician, you have options and choices to practice anywhere that you desire to practice. I think with WellStar, it was really more their vision. The vision of WellStar is to practice and deliver world-class care. And that in itself is kind of what we want to accomplish, or at least what I want to accomplish. WellStar gives you the structure, gives you the system in order to do that. The whole focus is having physicians lead. And I think it's very important because in healthcare right now, the physicians are closest to the situation as understanding what our patients need and how best to serve them and how best to create a system that basically provides them the best care.